Okay. GC Fitness Challenge week number 2. Here's what we are doing. A wall squat. What you gotta do is you gotta maintain a nice 90 degrees from your leg to your upper leg. Lower leg to upper leg 90 degrees. Upper leg to torso 90 degrees. Your qualifier is you have to take some sort of round object. Baseball bat, broomstick, bamboo stick. You could use one of your rattan sticks. Is that what they're made of?
Yes.
The Kali sticks that we use here in the studio. Lay it across the top of your knees about 2 inches from the tip. And it's got to stay. And you got to time yourself. So the person who hold this for the longest wins. If your stick moves from this position, if you come back too far and it moves, you're done. If you get tired and you come up, you're done. So longest time on this one wins. Make sure you record yourself with the timer. When you're done, tell us how long it was. Send the video to Mr. Noy, and we will announce our winners next weekend. See ya.
Instructor or not.
What is hard to do to be a muscle tomorrow?
Yeah, do it.